Mama, go to Philippines. Mama, Zito, we go to Philippines.
What we will do in Philippines? What we will do there? What we will do in Philippines?
And they see the kids
See the kids
playing toys.
playing toys. What else? You will give your toys to the kids in Philippines?
See they give to the kids.
To the kids the toys?
Zito.
Yes, very good. What else?
And keep to the amos.
To the amo also.
See to the amo.
And
Keep to the amo phone.
food. Oh, give amo food. Because we teach him to give food to the amo. Amo means uncle.
Okay.
And then, what else?
We put the balloons and the fire
The balloons and the fire? What
and the cake.
and the cake? Like a party, birthday, happy birthday? Birthday?
And
The fire, balloon, like candle.
and
A candle. It's
and
he
then
forgot the candle, and then
blow
Zito
the
will blow.
fire.
No, blow the candle.
and put the fire
Yeah, the fire of the candle.
and put out the fire.
Yes. How you will blow the fire?
With the fire truck.
Oh, how you will blow the fire?
With the fire truck.
With the fire truck? Oh, the fire truck will blow the fire? Oh, that's on YouTube, Baba. The fire truck, blow the fire with water. What else? Finish your story? That's it?
And then the fire truck will go to the fire station.
and then what will happen?
The fire truck will go to the fire. I want fire in the tree.
Oh, the tree is on fire, and then the fire truck will blow the water.
And the fire bigger, and the fire will be red.
Will what?
Be gone.
Be gone. Oh, be gone. Oh, very good, no?
And then we put out the fire. We put out the fire of the car.
Oh, the car is on fire, and who will help the car?
It is the fire.
You are the firefighter. What you will do with the car?
Flash in the car, and the car is
flash with
bedding.
water.
And the car is bedding.
And then the car will what?
We bed.
Where what?
We bedding.
What wedding?
The car will build.
We rebuild.
The car will explode.
Oh, the car will. No, the car will not explode because you're helping the car, right?
The car is fire.
Yeah,
Go
the fire will
truck,
stop.
And the fire will stop.
What else? What's the other story? Finished?
The ambulance.
The ambulance. What happened to the ambulance?
Ambulance working.
What the ambulance will do?
They take you to the hospital there.
The ambulance will take you to the hospital, and then who will take care of you in the hospital?
Baba and Mama.
No. Who will take the patient? Who will take care of the patient?
Mama and
the sick people. Who? The
sick people.
Oh, the doctor.
Doctor.
Who is the doctor?
Zito.
Zito is the doctor.
And the police will come.
The police will come. Why?
And catch the beep. And
will catch who?
And the beep in the railroad.
You catch the beep. What's beep?
And the railroad.
In the railroad. The bad guy.
And the train will come.
The train will come also.
Train rescue team.
The rescue team. The
train.
road rangers.
The train.
The train. The rescue team. Oh my gosh, too much story, no? What else? Enough? Finish na?
The digger.
The digger also. What the digger will do?
Dig the sand.
Dig the sand.
And the garbage truck.
And the garbage truck.
Will pick up the garbage.
I will pick up the garbage. Oh my gosh. How about the crane? How about the crane?
They carry cars.
What?
Carry to the pinch-it.
Yeah?
Our
carry will carry the heavy objects going up, right?
Going
up to the building.
Up to the building.
Yeah.
And the crane will make a building. Like a rocket.
Like a rocket. How about what else? The
trash truck.
The street sweeper.
Truck
will what?
Clean the road.
Clean the road. So he knows the function. How about What are the other vehicles? The ice cream truck.
The ice cream truck will give you ice cream.
Will give you ice cream. What else?
About the dump truck.
Oh, the dump truck. Yes. What the dump truck will do?
To the excavator and put it in the dump truck.
The excavator will put the sand to the dump truck, and then the dump truck will dump the sand.
And then the bulldozer.
And the bulldozer. What the bulldozer will do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Loading.
Loading.
Oh, finish na. Enough na.
Now the backhoe.
What?
Now the backhoe.
Backhoe? Backhoe, Baba. You know backhoe?
The backhoe
What?
will dig the sand.
Will dig the sand?
And mow the sand.
You know better than me. What else?
What else?
Backhoe. Forklift.
Forklift.
Yes. Forklift.
Pick up the box.
Oh, pick up the box. We'll lift the box up, no?
Lift the box up.
Yes, very good.
Up.
What else? How about the helicopter?
Will fly around.
What? Will fly around? Around where?
To the ceiling.
To the ceiling? It's a toy helicopter. And then, how about the airplane?
Fly.
Will fly? Where?
How about the jet?
How about the jet? How about the jet?
Will fly.
Will fly also? Who is inside the jet?
About
What?
the trash truck.
How about the trash truck? Is there a trash truck? It's a garbage truck, same. How about the tractor?
About the tractor.
Yes.
Give the animals to the farm.
The farm. You're Baba in the farm. How about the... What else? What are the other vehicles? I think you mentioned everything. Is there anything else? How about the car?
How about the police?
The car will take you to what? Where?
Home.
Take you home? How about the police car?
Let's take
Who will ride the police car?
Baba.
Baba, the police car. Who will drive the police car?
The policeman.
Yes, the policeman. And then the policeman will what the policeman will do?
Get the bad guy.
Oh, get the bad guy, catch the bad guy, and put the bad guy in
jail.
In jail, the
How
police station. How about what else? Oh, finish na, oy. We'll sleep now. Let's go. Good night, Zaid. Never ending story, Baba. What is this? Are we going to tell story until morning, or are we going to sleep? We'll sleep na. Oh, good night. Say good night to Baba and Mama.
About the bus.
Oh, the bus.
Take Zidu.
Take Zidu to school. The school bus. Yes.
How about the train?
How about the train? Take you to the train. To the
train station.
To the train station, and then take you to work, take you to everywhere.
Take you everywhere.
Everywhere, yes. Oh, enough na, let's go na, let's sleep na. Oh, sige, good night, Zaid.
How about the metro?
Oh, metro. How about the metro?
How about the metro?
Oh, how about the metro? Yes.
And the building.
And the building, the metro will take you to the buildings. Yeah, where you work, or take you everywhere.
Take you everywhere.
Yes. So enough na. Let's sleep na. Good night, Zaid. Good night, Zaid.
Now the helicopter.
Helicopter. Oh, finish now. It's too much talking.
The pickup truck.
Okay. Yes. Oh, enough. Bye, bye, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.
The pickup truck.
Okay. Next time.
Pickup truck.